Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on organizing multiple pages under a single page in WordPress, designed to guide you through the process using the WordPress site editor. We begin by directing you to open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, locate the login option at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you to the login interface where you are prompted with different authentication choices. After clicking the login button, choose to continue with Google. This method simplifies the sign-in process by associating your Google account with WordPress, so simply select the account you wish to use. This single sign-on process is both secure and convenient, ensuring that you can quickly access your website's dashboard without the need for additional passwords. With your WordPress account successfully logged in, you are now ready to begin editing your site. Look for the quick links section on your dashboard, which provides shortcuts to many frequently used features. Within quick links, locate and click on the option labeled Edit Site. Doing so will bring you directly to the site editor interface, where you can visually manage and customize different components of your website. Once you have entered the site editor, focus on the header section of your website. Click on the header and then proceed to find the page display section, which is where you will organize how pages are linked and arranged. This is an important step because the header often serves as the main navigation element on your site, and ensuring that it reflects your desired page structure is key to an organized layout. After accessing the page display section in the header, you will notice a small plus icon that is used for adding new pages. Click on this plus icon to reveal an interface where you can begin adding a new page to be included under your main page. Take a moment to get familiar with this intuitive interface, which is designed for ease of use. Next, simply enter the name of the page you want to add. This could be any title that accurately represents the content or function of the page you are adding to your site. Once you have typed in the desired page name, take a moment to verify that it has been correctly entered. This practice helps minimize errors that may occur later in the process. After confirming the page name, continue by clicking on the page you want to link from the list of available pages. This selection is important because it ensures that the page is correctly added to the main header. With the desired page now selected, your final step in this part of the process is to click on the Save button. Saving your changes is critical as it updates the site's configuration and ensures that your modifications are preserved. This concise and efficient process allows you to combine multiple pages under one unified interface using the WordPress site editor. Following these clear instructions facilitates a streamlined website management experience, ultimately enhancing your site's navigation and user experience. Enjoy the simplicity and power of organizing your website with WordPress.